Dinos! Welcome back to a brand new episode of Letters with Kitty Cat. That's me, Kitty Cat. Did you know half of the world's species live in tropical rainforests? Tropical rainforests are near the equator where it's almost always warm and wet. These are the key ingredients for making lots of lush plants and trees. Half of the world's plants and animals live in tropical rainforests. It's a very busy ecosystem with many kinds of plants, animals, fungi, and microscopic organisms. Many of them live here and nowhere else. Isn't that neat? Okay, dinos. Now that we're ready, let's grab our favorite color crayon and let's write our names. What color are you choosing? I think I'm going to choose a violet color crayon to write my name. Did I mention how happy I am for you to join me for another brand new episode? Now that we're done, let's read the directions. Color the animal according to the number codes. Let's read it one more time. Color the animal according to the number codes. It says that 1 is brown, 2 is red, and 3 is yellow. Say it with me. 1 is brown, 2 is red, and 3 is yellow. So where it says 1, we color the ones brown. So let's grab our brown crayon and color all the ones brown. If you need help, on the right there's Mr. Dog in case you need to see where to color. You're doing such a great job, dinos. You're doing a roaring job, dinos. Did you know that dogs' noses are always wet to absorb scent chemicals? Isn't that amazing? Dogs are such great swimmers that did you know that when the Titanic sank, 3 dogs survived the Titanic sinking? Isn't that neat? Great job, dinos. Now it says 2 is red. So wherever it says 2, which seems to be just a mouth, let's grab our red crayon and color the 2 red. Awesome job, dinos. Now it says 3 is yellow. So wherever it says 3, let's color it yellow. It seems to be the head and the body. Just remember, there's a picture of Mr. Dog on the right side in case you need help. Did you know a bloodhound's sense of smell can be used as evidence in a court? Isn't that amazing? I bet you didn't know that, dinos. Well, now you know. You're doing such a great job at coloring inside the lines. You really impress me every week. You're doing great, dinos. Oh, check out Mr. Dog. You really did such a great job. I can't wait to see my dinos next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!